Abundance is actually your original biological setting. There is no need to struggle or fight to find it. You simply need to remember how to broadcast the right signal. Actually, you were designed to be a powerful biological architect that collapses the quantum field into matter simply by being. Today, we aren't here to try or to fix anything. We are here to activate your factory settings and issue a new command to your future self. Just so you know, if you stay present through this entire session, we will reach a specific point of neural saturation in the final minutes, where your new reality becomes a biological fact instead of just a wish. Close your eyes now and feel the brilliance of the space behind them. Adjust your posture now, so your spine becomes a high conductive conduit for this electrical upgrade. Your nervous system knows exactly how to handle this increase in power. Imagine if your cells recognized, right now, that every desire you have is already a present fact. Shift your awareness directly into the center of your heart. That warmth you feel is your biomagnetic engine waking up. To be honest, the field has been waiting for this specific resonance. You are no longer looking for your destiny. You are the source of it. Entering the 0 point. Entering the the state of being. Now that your analytical mind has yielded to the power of the source, your cells are finally open for a new set of instructions. You see, these are not just thoughts. They are electrical surges, recoding your architecture from the inside out. Every cell in your body vibrate with a new authority. Manifesting become an effortless reflex when the heart and brain are in perfect symmetry. Feel these commands anchoring into your DNA. I inhabit the frequency of my highest potential right now. My heart and brain are in perfect, golden coherence. I am the source of my own signal, independent of all external conditions. Every breath I take expands my magnetic reach into the field. My future is no longer a goal. It is my current biological baseline. I mean, think about the weight of what is happening. You have withdrawn your energy from the how and the when. And you have placed it entirely into the I am. The distance between your thought and your experience have officially collapsed. Stay in this vast, pregnant stillness. Let the frequency lock these new circuits into your neural architectures. You are becoming the magnet. You are becoming the result. You are now transmitter of a new reality. As you begin to feel the weight of your limbs again, remember that you are no longer a receiver of your environment. You are the source of it. Fact is, it don't matter what your physical eyes see when you open them, because that world is just a delayed echo of who you were yesterday. It is dead energy. Inside, the signal are now stable and unbreakable. to stay in this frequency and ensure your new identity becomes your permanent record. You must continue the anchoring process. To fully master your heart's magnetic field and amplify your power, gently follow the path to our core quantum magnet protocol appearing on your screen. And for those of you ready to remove all platform interruptions and experience the pure, uncompressed 432 Hz master signal, the complete 3-step Multiverse protocol is now available for download on our official Academy site below. Take your transformation offline and anchor your destiny forever. The old recording is over. The signal is clear. It is done.